So today we're going to see what is Amazon Service Delivery Partner, how you can get it, and how you can deliver goods for Amazon and get paid for it. We're going to cover all of the things that you need to know. Basically, you deliver goods for Amazon. The Delivery Service Partner program is designed to empower leaders who want to launch and operate their own delivery business. Now, this is not working in all of the countries. I'm going to tell you which are eligible and which are not. But before we delve into this now, I want to show you one fact, one tool which you can utilize on Amazon. And this one anyone can use, okay? Wherever you live, whatever you do, this can bring you some money. It is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now, this Mechanical Turk, it's a term that was in the past. They made certain machine which they've named Mechanical Turk. So a quick search on Google can show us that Mechanical Turk was a fraudulent chess playing machine constructed in the late 18th century. Now, you can see in this picture how it looked like. It's an interesting story, really. So they made something which is an illusion. So there was a machine on top playing chess with human opponents. But inside of that machine, there was a real professional chess player, like a really, really good one. So you can see he was sitting down there, and he organized all those moves that were happening on top of this board. It was an illusion in 18th century. They just traveled to Europe and they showed this machine, and for a long time it stayed a top secret. It's fun. You can see that the Turk was in fact a mechanical illusion that allowed a human chess master hiding inside to operate the machine. And they did this for a very long time. For nearly 84 years, they were traveling and they were just showing that. And the good thing about this one is that Amazon took this approach. So, for example, you're going to complete some micro tasks with Amazon Mechanical Turk Workforce, and you can see actually how it goes. So, certain people want to outsource certain projects, some surveys, some, insights, something like that. And then they just request the task that needs to be completed. Then they put that task on mTurk Marketplace, and here's the thing that we're going to do. So, we're going to be the workers who want to get that money by doing those interesting tasks. And there's a lot of these use cases. You can just complete surveys. You can just, maybe some go and test the pages, basically the tasks which are going to be done virtually. Okay, so you can do this wherever you live. You just need, a device, laptop, desktop, mobile device, and you can just complete these micro tasks. Now, if you want to start with this, you can just go to mturk.com. You can just type it in Google. It is here, mturk.com. And then, of course, you're going to choose this one if you want to make money in your spare time. So you will request a worker account on Amazon.com. You will just log in with your Amazon account, which you have already, and that's it. You're going to get the money for those easy micro jobs. But now, let's go back to delivery service. So who is the Amazon Delivery Service Partner Program good for? Now, it is good for anyone with a vehicle, okay? So if you have a bike, if you have a car, it is a good thing. You can start your own delivery business, which is for Amazon only, and you can scale that business later. But the bad thing about this one, and maybe the most important one before you continue watching this, well, this works in the US, of course, and these are the countries that support delivery service partnering now. Of course, they're going to just increase the countries as the time goes on, as they just increase their business. But for now, there's Canada, United Kingdom, Spain, Germany, Italy, Ireland, Brazil, and India. Now, when it comes to profits, here's the deal. They tell us that annual profit potential is from $75,000 to $300,000. But of course, this is not like a get-rich-quick scheme. These $300,000, that can happen later when you scale the business and when you even hire someone to do that for you. So maybe when you scale this, of course, you're going to start at the zero, but when you scale this further, you can just hire a delivery service for you, okay? And then you can have 4 or 5 vehicles which are working on the clock for you. So let's see actually how to start this one. First of all, you will have to apply online. You can complete this application on this link, and then you will have to have an interview. Assuming all goes well with your initial application, you'll be invited for an interview at a nearby Amazon station, providing that you are in these countries, okay? Next on, you're going to get this offer. you're going to get invited, okay, and you're going to get an offer. You can just complete that, and then you will have the training as well, and it's for free. Amazon is going to give you for free that training that you need to pass in order to become their delivery service partner, right? That's called DSP training program, and it includes 1 week of virtual classroom instruction, such as webinars. So it's not a hard thing to do. You just have to follow the steps if you want to become this. But what if you don't have a vehicle? What if you live in a country where this is not possible? Well, there are a lot of ways in which you can make money with Amazon, really. I have found, for example, 13 proven ways to make money on Amazon in 2023. And my favorite one, of course, is affiliate marketing. Now, what is good about this one? You don't have to have your own products, okay? You don't have to, for example, like an online arbitrage, you don't have to buy the products and then you just have to sell it, resell it in order to make the profit. Now, affiliate marketing is the best one for beginners, okay? So you can just affiliate for the products that other people are selling, okay? And you're just going to get a commission, which is usually 10%. That's a good one. For the traffic, you can always use TikTok or Instagram or Facebook or YouTube even, and you can just do it, for example, like this guy. Just take a look at this. His name is simply Sal Finds. He has almost 3 million followers. And just take a look at what is he doing. So just take a look at this. 25 million views on this TikTok. And what is he doing? He's just reviewing certain products. I'm just going to complete this CAPTCHA sorry for this. So I can now show you what this consists of. So he shows certain gadgets that he bought on Amazon. And he just makes a video about that one. So it's a shower thing, you see, really cool one. And then what he does on his profile, as you can see, he has the bio link. So when I click on this, I'm going to be redirected. And then you can see my Amazon storefront. Now, when I click on this, I'm going to get redirected to his Amazon profile, where I can find a lot of these products that he's affiliating for. Okay, so all of these products are going to get him the commission. You have a full list of the products that he is affiliating for, and he just makes videos about these. Now, what is really cool about Amazon cookies is that, for example, if I click on one product that this Simply Sal Finds puts as his affiliate product, let's say, for example, I click on this and I'm redirected in order to buy this. Well, if I buy this, he gets a commission, right? But if I don't buy this one, if I just now go to some other product, if I just, I don't know, maybe just go on today's deals here, if I click on there and I buy, for example, these sneakers, he's still gonna get a commission from this because he's the one that firstly got me to Amazon today, okay? So this cookie is gonna stay with him for 24 hours. And whatever I buy, he's going to get a certain amount of commission. That's how Amazon cookies work, and it's a really, really nice strategy. And of course, with the traffic that he has on TikTok, you can just try to imagine how many of those people actually go, see this video, and they just for example, certain stupid gadget, and they just go and buy it. And trust me, it works best with these non-expensive products, because, for example, if I click on this, I'm going to see that it is only $6 and it is a rug pad gripper. I'll always need that. So it's much easier for me to spend $6 right now. I'm not going to feel it at all, but this guy is going to get a commission. And he's going to depend on a lot of those sales, which are going to happen. And the most profitable option, which is not suited for beginners, but when you get some experience, is retail arbitrage on Amazon. So what are you going to do? Well, you got to search for products online or in stores which have a discount. And then you just resell them for a profit. That's how this works. You will make money by shopping and reselling. You can make your product yourself. You're basically just going to be a reseller. It is important to take advantage of your knowledge of local deals. So if you have certain store in your city or nearby, you will just have to go there and see if there is something on a discount, on a sale, because there's always going to be something on sale. That's just the way they attract you to the shop. But you are going to just buy those products which are on the sale, all right? With this, of course, no special skills or large initial investment is needed at all, so you don't need a lot of money to start with this. What are you basically going to do is you're going to go to a website, for example, like Alibaba.com if you want to do this online, Well, you're going to go to a website like this and then you will search for something. Okay, so let's say, for example, you choose, let's go with this recommendation, pendant light. So if I click on it, I'm going to get a lot of these like pendant lights, and I can now choose what I like. But what you can do is you can check the price for this item on Amazon, because most surely there is one just like this. So you can just go and you can copy this whole title of the product. Then you can go back to Amazon, you can paste that inside of there, and you will most surely find something like that. But just take a look at these prices, okay? This is like really expensive product. So $250 for this one, but on Alibaba you can just get for $61. But of course you don't have to go with the products that are so expensive, so you can just go and buy something really cheap. For example, these stylus pens. Let's say, for example, this one, active drawn stylus pen. You can see this one is $3. If you order one to $1.99, you will just copy the title, search for it on Amazon, of course, and then you will see the prices in here. So it's $24, $30, $20, $16, $14. So basically, it is way more expensive on Amazon. And this is what people are doing every day, okay? A lot of people are making a lot of money just by reselling, and this is the thing that you can do as well. But you gotta stay consistent. You have to dedicate yourself. There's not gonna be an income the first following like 6 weeks, let's say. But if you stay dedicated, if you just set yourself a goal, you will eventually get there, okay? So just go and do some research, okay? If you like this, go and do it. I'll catch you.